How to fix YouTube notifications not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is enable notifications in your phone settings for YouTube. For that, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option of notifications. Here you're going to find different apps. Find the app YouTube. After you find it, open it. Then enable for this option of allow notifications. If you have already enabled for this option, disable it, wait for a few minutes and then enable it. Then close this, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top you'll see the storage box. Over there type in the app name YouTube and then search for it. Once app appears at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your YouTube app to its latest version. Then launch it. Now click on the option of view given at the bottom right corner. Now navigate to the settings icon given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Click on the option of notifications. Now from here you can easily customize notifications for your YouTube app. Toggle on for these options: schedule, digest, subscription, channel settings, recommended videos. If you want to get notifications for these options, you can just enable for these options. If you want to disable notification for any of these topics, you can just toggle off for these icons. So this is how you can easily fix YouTube notifications not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.